This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Karen Faircloth. Discover a beautiful move-in ready split floor plan. Freshly painted in a gated community. The home's elegant layout boasts a formal living room and dining room, a cozy family room and a spacious master suite complete with walk-in closet with a spacious master bath. All appliances in the kitchen are brand new and never used. 1224 Home offers impact windows and doors with additional according shutters. Washer and dryer are also new. 1224 never used. New roof is being quoted and will be replaced. This home offers a large cover screened and patio offers a beautiful view of the water. Corner lot with a large fenced-in yard. The large fence-in yard allows ample space for a pool. Conveniently located near A-rated schools, colleges, hospitals, major attractions and east access to I-75. For more information, review the details below.